Hello crafters, this is Brett Lund from Robert's Crafts, one crafty guy. Today's installment of Try It Thursday, we are going to be using a fabulous new product from Imaginisce called Roly Roses. You look at them and say, well, what are they? Well, I don't know if you've seen flowers that people roll. It's the hottest craze. Well, these are colors and they're already punched out. Basically, it's like having sliced bread. So you have three different sizes. This size is actually the circle one, which is this one. And then the other one are like this. And with this, the great thing about this is everything, all you do is just punch it out. Okay, so I'm going to show you, this is a quick video, I'm going to show you how I do it. If you look right here, I don't know if you can see it, there's a little slit in this. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this, slide it in the slit, and kind of have to wiggle it in there. And then all you're going to do is you're going to start rolling. Now, depending on the way that you roll it, so if you look at that, you're going to see purple. If you roll it this way, you'll end up seeing white. So this way, let's do purple. And then all you do is you start rolling. Now, the concept behind this is you want to roll very similar to basically doing quilling, but you want to keep everything right here. So that means you roll a little, and then just kind of adjust, roll. See how I'm rolling, and then if it starts to slide out, you just kind of move it back into place. So you keep rolling. You roll. And see, so we're rolling. And then with this, what we're going to do is we're gonna glue it shut. And I'll show you what I mean by that. So we keep rolling, and see if you notice it starts moving up, so I kind of squish it back. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and let it go, and then slide this out. And then what I like to do is I kind of like to unroll a little bit. So basically what you're doing is you're kind of fluffing it up. Okay, so that is what your flower looks like. Now, in order to keep it there, what you're going to do is we're going to use a dab of glue, hot glue, and we're going to glue right there, and we're going to hold it right like that. So, you want to be careful so you don't burn your fingers. I have burned my fingers many a times doing this. And there we go. Super easy. And then if you don't like how it is, you can lift it up and glue it a little more. Now, I saw a really cool technique doing this, and they wanted to kind of add some bling. So all they did was they took your glossy accents and they kind of just touched up on the edges. So we have glossy accents on all the edges, and then they put them in a little bowl and sprinkle glitter on, and then tilted it up, and so then the glitter was on the edges of the flowers. It's really fun. You could also take ink and you could ink the edges of the flowers. So it gives another look. Now, one thing that I want to point out is if you notice, see, we have the inside is all purple and then the outside is all white. So that's what's really cool about all of the Roly Roses is they're two-toned, so they give you a different look. Now this one is a different style. Okay, so what we'll do, once again, we slide it on. See if we can get it to go on. There we go. And we're going to start rolling. So we're rolling. Okay, so we keep on rolling. Now you want to make sure that when you roll, that you roll it nice and tight, because that's going to create the flower's tightness. Okay, and I'll let them out. I love these flowers. Now, we're going to take our glue, and we're going to glue in the center. And we're going to glue this little center in. Now if you notice, see, it kind of has this flap on the bottom. So I kind of just tighten it up a little bit more. Okay, so there we go. It's really fun. Now another thing that I want to say is Imaginisce actually at this past CHA trade show, they just released a whole slew of other flowers. So I'm really excited to get my hands on those. You know, and the really fun thing about this is it comes in this pack, and then which has all of these colors. Let me flip it to the back. Has all these colors in it, and there's also a black like this. This isn't the pack. This is a different flower, but it has the black patterns. Now the reason why I like that is these guys right here that are white. That means I can ink them. I can do whatever color flower I want. So I can ink it, let's say I want a yellow flower, and I want, let's say this isn't the color of yellow I want. I can use a white one, ink it, and get the color of yellow. So it's really fun. It has huge possibilities. Super fun. So, remember, you want to get your Rolly Roses, and you also want to get your tool. This is your quilling tool. And you want to make sure you get your glue gun. And then all you do is start rolling the flowers and have lots of fun. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to stop by one of our Roberts Craft stores, where our friendly associates would be happy to help you in any project that you need. Until then, happy crafting.